Guys, good morning. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I was just wanted to show you guys a quick little tutorial. I'm doing my first passion twist, not first crochet, but excuse me, but my first passion twist crochet here. I've done a crochet before, and I'll put the video up here to show you guys, to put a link for that video above. But this is the first time I'm attempting to do the passion twist, and it's the already twist, or I should say pre-twist passion twist here. So I'm just going to be crocheting that onto my cornrows. I washed my hair about 2 days ago, and I braided my hair about that time too, about 2 days ago. So it's not fresh braids, but hopefully it would work. And I'm going to go ahead and start crocheting this. It's about 11:20. And I'm hoping that this wouldn't take long. I bought 4 packs of the crochet here, and you will see it there. I'm actually gonna, it's about 18 inches, and I believe it's 1B. I don't have it in front of me, so I'm not sure. And it's the Knotless here, which I've never used before, but the feel of the hair, it's so soft and so light and bouncy. So I'm hoping that it wouldn't be too heavy on my hair, because one thing I don't want to do is add any tension to my hair. So without further ado, and before, don't forget, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you are an oldie but goodie, thanks again for stopping by. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next one. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. All right, guys. So as you see, I am almost finished. I wasn't going to make a video about my passion twist experience. I love how it looks so far, but there's so many passion twist videos out there. I'm just like, another might just get lost in the shuffle. But then I was like, I would like to have it added to my playlist. So I said, let me go ahead and start it. So, and this is the Naila Truss Janet collection number 4, and it's 18 inches passion twist crochet hair, handmade braid, so it's already braided. I see a lot of videos where they're actually twisting it themselves, and I actually got here to do it that way. And then I was like, wait a minute, I'm sure somewhere they have to have the pre-made passion twist here. So I called my local beauty supply store and I asked them. They said yes. I ran right over there and I picked it up. I got, now let me see. The pack of hair that I got today is not where I had originally got my first 4 packs. This one was actually cheaper at the one that's right up the street. This one was cheaper. This was $5.99. And the original 4 packs that I have, which is the ones you see here, I got it at another beauty supply store because I was in that area, which I am typically in that area, but I was in that area at the time, and I said, let me go ahead and just get the twist hair. And it was $8.99 a pack just for 1 pack. But my local beauty supply store, which is just 10 minutes away, excuse me, excuse me. But my local beauty supply store, which is the place I usually go, I went there today to get the extra pack to finish my hair, and they were only $5.99. So now I know moving forward, I'll keep going to my local beauty supply store. Again, I only went to the other place because I was in the area at the time. So, but and excuse my right eye, guys. Some of the fiber from the hair went into my eyes and it irritated my eyes. So that's why you see this eye is a little bit red. So that would explain that. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys. Let me move up a little bit. So I did have some here that I need to complete, and this whole row of my cornrows that I need to complete. Let me turn around so I can show you guys the back. It's pretty much done. I just have a couple of sections left. See, I still have like this part here that I need to complete. Add a couple more here since I have an extra pack now, and I have this row that I need to complete. So I think 1 pack will be sufficient. Hopefully, because I'm going to make it be sufficient because I'm not going back to the beauty supply store. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and we are up close and personal. Yes. So is this the one that's broken? And also too, my thing broke my crochet needle broke, so I had got a new one at the beauty supply store just in case this one just really starts acting up. So I have an extra one now. But it still works out. I can just hold it while I'm crocheting it, and so that it doesn't detach. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So this part of it, I'm just going to show you what I did to start this whole passion twist. So the hair, as you see here, is pre-made, and it just has this open loop here. Okay. So what I'm going to do with my needle, of course, close it first. And I'm going to do this one here. And I'm going to do the very front. Okay. Open the latch. Let me come closer. Alrighty. Now I am going to put the loop through the top of the needle. The needle needs to be open first, so let me hold that down. So put the loop through the needle, close the latch, and pull the hair through. Okay. You see, now the needle just fell out again. So I'm just going to put my finger through the little loop, pull it through, see? Oh my goodness, this is just unraveling so bad. But anyway, so loop here, pull the hair through the loop, and tighten the hair to the top. And there you have it. So because this is the front, I've did the back of it a little bit more spacious, but the front I want to keep the hair a little bit closer so that it looks neat when I want to put it up. You see here? Okay. So that's pretty much what I did. So let me open the other pack. All right, let's do it one more time, and then I'm gonna just speed it up. Hook, hair, loop. It's really not that much to it. I'm just being silly right now. And I think I'm gonna add one more. Yeah, I'm gonna put one here. Okay, open the latch, put the loop through the latch, close the latch, and pull the hair through. Loop, hair, put it through, and just pull and tighten. See, that's it. So that is that. Why does this look like a different color? Or maybe it's on the camera, I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna complete it. So I'm just gonna speed up this process, and I'll come back and meet with you guys after. All right, guys, so I am done. Yes, yes, sis, yes, yes, I am loving this. And what I love most about this hairstyle is that it's no rubber band method. I am not doing a rubber band method. It may work for some, but I don't like it. Oops, there's a little straggly one here. I'll fix that, yes. But like I said, so there was 5 packs total, and each pack had 15, so that's 75 twists that I have in my hair, and I feel like I have 25. It is so lightweight. It's great. It looks beautiful. I love the color. The color is, I believe it's 1B. No, actually, I'm sorry. It's a number 4. So this color is number 4. It's 18 inches, and this is the Nola, or I should say the Nayless Tress here. It was in my local beauty supply store for five. I see a little flying thing coming, right? $5.99 a pack, but they can range anywhere between $5.99 to $8.99 depending on where you live, depending on the beauty supply store that you go to, like what happened to me. My first pack of 4, I had original pack of 4 I bought from a beauty supply store from another area, and it was $8.99, and then my local beauty supply store had it at $5.99. So I wish I had bought it at my local beauty supply store, but that's okay. A couple of dollars lost here and there, but at the end of the day, it looks absolutely gorgeous. It only took me, well, I had to stop in between here and there. So had I not have to stop and go to the beauty supply store and finish it, it would have probably taken me like an hour and a half, maybe an hour and a half. So it took me approximately about 2 hours. So considering the fact that's not really bad, I absolutely love how it looks, and I'm going to show you guys the sides. So I have 75 twists in here, the back. And how I had my hair, my original hair, I have it cornrowed. I had like about 9 cornrows going back, and I just connected the passion twist to my cornrows. So I didn't feel like I had to do the beginning of the video to show you guys how that was done. You probably seen a lot of passion twist tutorials. Most people do it with twisting their own hair, twisting their own extensions, or they bind a pre-made one like I did. Some people do it box braid style. Some people do it the cornrow style. I thought the box braid style, I thought the cornrow style, excuse me, would have been a lot easier, and it was. So I had cornrow my hair like about 2 days ago after I washed it, and then the next step was basically just to add these in. So I didn't do it all in one day, like cornrow my hair and then did this. This mom ain't got time for that. So I want the easy way out. So I cornrow my hair a couple of days ago, 2 days ago, and then I crochet these today. So I hope you guys like it. I do, and I'm the one that's wearing it, so I should like it, right? But hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Like I said, I didn't really show too much information, too much detail. I just thought if I showed you guys 1 or 2, you would have an idea of how to do it if you're not familiar with the method. But it's really, really easy. If you guys would like to see me do it from the beginning to end, most likely I will be doing this again because I absolutely love it. So if you guys want me to do another tutorial where I can do it from start to the end, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to do another video when I do the twist again. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's lightweight. It's a nice, fast, easy to go. I can wear it up, half down. I can wear it up all the way up. So, I mean, I'm just gonna enjoy these. I'm trying. My goal is to keep these in between 3 to 4 weeks. That's my goal. 4 weeks, I prefer to leave it in as long as 4 weeks, but we shall see how they hold up. I did my edges, as you can see, off camera. So that's basically what I'll be doing. I most likely will be wearing these maybe like half up, half down, or all the way up into a bun. So, at least that way it will be off my face, because I really don't like hair and stuff like that in my face. So yeah, that's it. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you. Definitely thumbs up, comment. Let me know if you like it. Tell me if you tried it. And do not forget, if you are new to my channel, to hit subscribe. It should be somewhere up here right now. And don't also forget to hit the notification bell so you can see all new videos with Hang with T. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. And I love you guys. Take care. Bye.